In aerial arts, we not only need to have strong core, but we really need endurance using our core through the whole time we're up in the air. Here are some exercises that help work the strength and endurance of our core specifically for aerial arts. Start by rolling on your back just to warm up your back. Also, you want to warm up your hamstrings a bit. So stretching your pike. Take as long as you need to do these exercises. Once your back and hamstrings are warmed up, follow along with me. Start with your feet flat and your knees straight up to the ceiling. Bring your arms straight and drop your shoulders down and back. Bring your hands to your knees and roll back until the palms of your hands are on your kneecaps, and then keep rolling back until your fingertips reach your knees, and then back to your palms, to your fingertips, and then back to your palms. 20 times. That's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Sit up all the way tall, lengthen your spine, drop your shoulders down, and lift your knees as if you're floating on your sits bones. And then slowly round down, laying onto your back. Lift your knees up just above your hips, and your lower legs are parallel to the ground, lifting the booty up and down, up and down. Nice and controlled. No dropping, lifting straight up 20 times. That's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going. Try to relax your neck. Shake your head yes and no. Arms are relaxed. 5 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Keep going, but straighten your legs up toward the ceiling, lifting the pelvis up and down, up and down. 20 times. Try not to rock your legs forward. Straight up to the ceiling. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Gently bringing it down, gently lifting it up with control the whole time. If you can, your legs stay straight and your toes stay pointed. 18, 19, 20. Now keep with this, but lift your hips up to the right and up to the left. That's 1. Up to the right, up to the left. That's 2. Up to the right, to the left. 3, 4, 20 times. Toes are reaching straight up to the ceiling. Your knees are straight, toes are pointed. Relax your head, relax your neck. That's 10. 10 more. 5, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now bring your hips back to center, flex your feet, spread your toes, reach long through the backs of your legs, and reach your arms up to your toes. 20 times. Imagine you're hanging from your feet and you have to reach up to your apparatus above your feet. If you can give yourself a little high five. Ten more. Keep those legs long and strong. Relax your face. 16, 17, 18, 19. On the last one, hold it up. Point your toes. Lift your shoulders off the floor. Lift your booty up. And hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it into hollow body hold as low as your legs can go, keeping your back flat for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Bring your arms over your head if you can for the last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lift the legs back up again. Open and close. Straddle, pike. Straddle, pike. Imagine you're slicing through the air. Pointed toes, straight knees, long and strong. 20 times. 7, 8, 9, 10. Slicing through the air, the same slice every time. Precise. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Holding the straddle nice and long. Point your toes, straighten your knees. Little pulses down, down, down. Not bounces. You're using your legs to control. And keeping your hands next to your hips. Little lifts with the pelvis 10 times. 9, 8, 7. Legs don't go anywhere. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold the legs out. Bring your hands behind your head and 10 crunches. Run. 2. Keep those legs long and strong. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Bring your hands back under your hips again. 10 toe touches, straddle ups with your toes touching the floor. 1. Keep those legs straight. 2, 3. Pushing into the floor with your hands, turning on your lats. 5. 5 more. 6, 7, 8, 9. Good form. Last one. 10. Now 10 more straddle pikes. Closing and opening. Work those legs. Long and strong. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the last one, tuck your legs in, keep your toes pointed, pull your legs all the way in, take a deep breath. We're not finished yet. Bring the hands behind the head. Inhale here, exhale, lift the booty and the shoulders, knees to the forehead, elbows stay out. Inhale down, exhale, lift. Inhale down, exhale, lift. 20 times, keeping the heels squeezing to the booty, keeping the knees squeezing to each other and squeezing towards the chest. Don't let your knees drop away from your chest. Keep going. 10 more. Squeeze the heels into the booty. Elbows stay out to the side, lifting the shoulders and the booty each time. Squeeze the knees together for 3. Last 2. On the last one, we hold it up for a 20, 19, 18. Squeeze everything. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. On the last 10, you can either hold here or go back into your hollow body hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring it back in. Last exercise. Squeeze the heels into the butt. Squeeze the knees together. Bring the knees actively towards the chest. Hands by the sides. Use the arms to press in to the floor, lifting the booty up. Knees to the forehead, and then rolling the booty slowly back down. Keep the legs squeezed into a ball the whole time. We're just doing 10 of these. It's important to stay tight like a ball the whole time, and as you're rolling down, wipe the sweat off your face with your knees. Keep everything very tight. If you have to kick your legs in order to lift up, like this, just squeeze your heels into your butt on the way down. So if you need to kick to get up, squeeze your heels into your butt. on the way down. And then work towards lifting and lowering in that tight ball. For 3 more. Last 2. 1 more. Lift it up, roll it up, stretch out your butterfly, move yourself around. Do this every day. It's a great thing to do right after you get up in the morning. For more tips and tricks, go to sweetretreatsdr.com.